Visualizing data in Excel, creating stunning charts and graphs. Excel Data Visualization Tutorial. Excel offers a wide range of chart types, such as bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Each type is suitable for representing different types of data, so it's essential to choose the right one for your specific needs. Excel Chart Design Tips. Design plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of your charts and graphs. A well-designed chart not only looks visually appealing but also enhances the readability of your data. Excel Chart Formatting. Formatting is another essential aspect of creating stunning charts in Excel. Proper formatting can make your visualizations more engaging and easier to understand. Conclusion. In conclusion, visualizing data in Excel is a powerful way to communicate insights and trends effectively. By mastering the art of creating stunning charts and graphs, you can elevate your data visualization skills and impress your audience with clear and engaging visuals.